Hi, I'm Tim at Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester, and we've got a little bit of something special for you today. This is a 2008 crossover with the 1.2 petrol turbo automatic. It's an Allure trim with a few extras. It's got the full leather Mistral interior, which featured the heated seats, the glass roof, as you can see behind me, and also navigation as well. So it's quite an up-spec car, this one, and quite rare. So let's have a closer look. There you have it. Looks beautiful in Bianca white, and it's something a little bit special. Just 9,500 miles on the clock. This is a really nice opportunity to get a very well spec car. So if you'd like further information, or indeed you want to pop down and book a test drive, simply call us on 01305 266 066. Thank you.